So here's the ultrasound, my ultrasound, which is the same device as yours. So turn it on here, and my display is a little weird, but so I like to have it set to, this is continuous and this is pulsed. I like to leave it on continuous. That's the heat mode. Pulse is a mode that's less heat. So continuous, you get, it's a deeper heat. And then this is just a like a type, I don't know, it changes the decimal point when you go here, the decimal point moves. That's all that is. But it's the number of watts per cubic centimeter. Okay. So to get to the time here, they say to push 0. I like to use 6 minutes, three minutes on each side of the spine. So you start by pushing the 0 and the 6. And if you end up with something goofy like that, just push 0 a couple of times and it zeroes back out. So 0, 6. Oops, see what I mean? Double it out. 0, 6. Okay. So, and then the sound head, you're never to leave the sound head unattended. In other words, it always has to have a load. If it's unloaded, it'll overheat and the machine will shut off. And I'll show you. I'll go ahead and turn I like the intensity to be really high, but you have to be careful when you're doing the work, and I'll show you how I do it. So I'm just going to turn it down here, and so there's the go button, and then you can also pause it by pressing hold. So go, and if we don't put a load on it, after a few seconds it'll beep and stop. Okay, it's a protection for the sound head so it doesn't overheat. So I'm going to turn it back up. Now I want to show you how to test the sound head. So I'm going to set this here, pour some water in here. The sound head is waterproof, so you can immerse it into the water like that. And what's going to happen here is when I turn it on, you'll see the sound waves going through the water. It's hard to do with one hand. So I'm going to start it. Go. All right. Okay. So you can see the water being disturbed by the ultrasound. You see it? That way you know it's working. So that's the test to make sure it's working. And if you see that disturbance in the water, it's pushing the water, then you know that the thing is working okay. All right. So next thing I'll do is show you how to apply it to your back. I'm going to turn it off, push hold, and turn it off.